Tesla finishes the walls at Giga Nevada semi-expansion. Tesla's semi-factory expansion continues to make construction progress, with recent drone footage from the site showing that the walls are now complete. The exterior walls at the Gigafactory Nevada semi-expansion are officially up, as shared in a video update from semi-factory drone observer Zangler on Saturday. The video shows substantial progress from updates a few weeks ago, when Tesla began installing windows and walls en masse. Zangler also says that the company still had a long way to go regarding the remaining walls as of last Sunday, though he did expect them to be fully completed soon. He also notes that, while the roof still isn't quite completed, some of the final materials can now be seen on the roof, suggesting that it could be completed in the coming weeks. Along with the full building exterior getting completed walls in recent weeks, crews continue to work on the future stamping pit areas. And Zangler also highlights speculation in recent weeks that Tesla could be planning to build its upcoming Robovan at the Giga Semi-expansion. Tesla Semi shows impressive efficiency in 3,000-mile DHL test. It's now been over a year since Tesla initially broke ground on the Tesla Semi factory, and the company is aiming to launch production at the plant sometime in 2025. The first full exterior corner was completed in late October. Upon reaching volume production, the Nevada Semi factory is expected to build 50,000 units annually, with early external deliveries from the plant aiming to go out early next year. Some of Tesla's early Semi units have already gone out in the past few years to a few companies as part of pilot programs, starting with a delivery to PepsiCo in 2022. The automaker also has deals in place with Walmart, DHL, Martin Brower, and others, and early results from the testing periods largely showing positive results. Tesla also displayed the Semi at the IAA conference in Munich, Germany in September, and at its Gigafactory outside of Berlin a month prior. And Elon Musk has previously said that the vehicle will eventually be produced at Giga Berlin. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.